Hey everyone, it's Matt with EquiPredict.com. Thanks for watching. In this video, we're just going to post up a quick review and analysis of the GoDaddy stock. We had a reader reach out to us over at EquiPredict.com regarding a next potential lower risk entry, so we decided to run the model over GoDaddy stock. And again, we're going to kind of share with you some of that information here. And again, if you're enjoying some of the content we're providing, please do feel free to subscribe to the channel. You can use the button on the bottom right if you're on a desktop. Also head over to our website, EquiPredict.com. We have a whole lot of information for market forecasting over there. So it's EquiPredict.com. Up on the screen here, we have a week over week chart, a weekly chart of GoDaddy's stock, and I'll kind of walk through each of the indicators that we have here overlaid on the screen, so you know what you're looking at essentially. And we'll kind of go sort of top to bottom here. On the top panel, that black line here is actually a performance reading. It compares the GoDaddy stock to the general stock market. And as you can see, really since the turn of 2024, which is around over here, GoDaddy's been outperforming the market. What we also like to see is the fact that the performance indicator is above this rising 42-week moving average, as a simple moving average that we've overlaid on it. Behind it, the one concern that we think we have with GoDaddy is that and again, this could be negated with a break to the upside, but we have a slowing momentum on the performance reading of GoDaddy, and that's just something to be on the lookout for in terms of a breakdown on that. But right now we have a negative divergence with the momentum of the performance reading in comparison to the stock market for GoDaddy. So just something to keep in mind as you're looking at the stock yourself. This yellow line here is available on a lot of different platforms. There's a harmonic cycle. Essentially, it's a static cycle. It's fixed. It doesn't flex or move to the calendar. It stays right above it and tells you sort of where the harmonic lows and highs are in the stock in terms of a cycle. And as you can see, actually, it's been working very, very well, even since 2022. I think before then is when the harmonic cycle really started to kick in and work really well. So we're anticipating that's going to remain in force for some time, given the fact that we are still in a bull market just in general anyway. The blue line here, obviously for folks who are tuning back to the channel, is the EquiPredict model. It is a forecasting model. It alerts us to basically when we should be looking for highs and lows, or excuse me, some buying bias, some bullish bias in the stock, as opposed to some selling pressure or kind of a watch and wait period. And what it does is, and I'll just kind of highlight it here, is every time the EquiPredict model comes down to a low, it tells us to start looking for a bullish bias, sort of a bullish tendency in the stock price when you get to these nice lows here. And it's been working very well just by itself, even without the harmonic. And so what we're seeing here is we actually notice a trend going back a couple of years, is that whenever the EquiPredict model is heading towards one of our cycle lows, the model's lows, and then it's coinciding with a harmonic cycle low, it's a great time to pick up shares. So what we're looking at essentially at this point, for those who are interested in the stock and looking for a next low risk entry, essentially is September, the last week of September into the first week of October. What we're going to do is send out to our readers on a daily chart over at EquiPredict.com. We're going to send over to them when we get to that period of time towards the end of September. We're going to send out an alert to our readers over there exactly what day we're seeing is a good time to pick up shares according to the model. So I hope that helps. Again, so I'll just write on the chart here. You want to be looking for around 9:30 the last week of September to October 7th is when you want to be kind of looking to pick up shares or looking for bullish bias to begin developing in the GoDaddy stock for the next run up into November. So hope that helps. Happy trading and good luck out there.